Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate HubSpot with your website. To begin, open HubSpot and go to the main homepage of your account. This is the starting point where you can access your settings and manage the tools connected to your website. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so you can access the account options needed for this setup. Once you are on the HubSpot home screen, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This will take you into the area where HubSpot account configurations are managed. Many important website and domain options are located here, so this is the right place to begin the integration process. After the settings page opens, turn your attention to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Scroll down toward the bottom of that menu. Depending on your screen size, some options may not be visible right away, so take your time and continue scrolling until you reach the section you need. When you find it, click on Content. This section contains the tools related to website assets, publishing, and domain connections. If you are integrating HubSpot with an existing website, this is where you will manage the domain settings that support that connection. Next, select domains and URLs. This area lets you view, manage, and connect domains used with your HubSpot account. It is especially important for making sure your website and HubSpot can work together properly. If you have multiple domains, be sure you are working with the correct one before moving forward. From there, click Connect Hosting Domain. This starts the domain connection process and opens the setup flow that HubSpot provides. At this stage, HubSpot will guide you based on the type of website or domain you want to connect. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. HubSpot may ask you to choose your domain provider, confirm domain details, or update DNS records with your hosting company. Be sure to read each screen carefully and follow the prompts exactly as shown. Domain changes can sometimes take a little time to update, so if the connection does not complete immediately, give it some time and check back. As a helpful tip, it is a good idea to keep access to your domain hosting provider available while you complete this process, since you may need it during the final setup steps. That's it. You have now walked through the process of integrating HubSpot with your website.